Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how to deposit money on FanDuel. Now, if you're a new FanDuel customer, feel free to use my referral link. After you play with a certain amount of money, you and I both will get free cash. Okay, so on the FanDuel app, along the bottom, you'll see multiple tabs: home, all sports, my bets, casino, and account. So you'll want to click on account. Okay, from here, you have the option to add funds or withdraw funds. So we're going to click on add funds. All right, so you have a bunch of quick deposit options. You could use online banking, debit card, Apple Pay, Venmo, PayPal, credit card, and you have a bunch of other deposit methods. For me, I'm going to connect my online banking, so I'm going to click on online banking, and I'm going to deposit $25. And now I just had to find my bank. If your bank isn't listed here, then you could search for your bank. It's just telling me that it is going to be private and safe. So I'm just going to click on OK, got it. And then I'm going to sign on to my online banking. And then after I've logged on with my online banking credentials and selected the account, I'm going to click on deposit. And it's going to take a minute for the deposit to work. And there we go. My deposit was successful. So I'm going to click on continue. And there we go. $25 has been deposited onto my FanDuel account. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Again, check out my referral link, and I'll see you guys later.